Hello everyone, I will show you how to fix Apple could not create account at this time. First of all, I searched for a solution for this problem, and what I found out is maybe you created more than one account in this year. That's why Apple did this to you and you cannot create a new account. But there is a solution for this, which is what you need to do, click out, and after that head over and tap on the settings icon, and you need to make sure to have strong Wi-Fi connection through Wi-Fi or through cellular data. And this is the first step. And the second step is to click on VPN and scroll down and tap on general, scroll down and tap on VPN and device management, and you need to make sure is VPN is disabled and not connected. And after you disable it, click back, and from here tap on software update. This is the third step. Click on it, and you need to make sure your iPhone is up to date, your iOS is up to date, and after that click back. And we have fourth step, which is scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and tap on reset and click on reset network settings to clear the data and make the network settings smoother. Click back. And the last method, what you need to do is you need to restart your iPhone. And after you restart your iPhone and open it again, click on the first option, your Apple ID, and from here click sign out and tap on sign up and create a new Apple ID. Or you can open Safari and search for Apple id.apple.com. And after that, what you need to do is to click on this arrow and tap on create your Apple ID. And after that, from here you will be able to create your Apple ID easily. And the last step, what you need to do is, if all of them doesn't work, the last step is to click back and open settings and scroll down all the way to the end until you find Safari. Click on it on Safari and scroll down all the way to the end and click on the clear history and website data and tap on all history and click on clear history from here. And after that, try it again and see if you can create a new account. And that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel.